Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this Honda CBR600F. It's the ABS model as well. Right little Bobby Dazzler. Let's give you some facts and figures first. It's a 2013 on a 13 plate. It's only done 11,548 miles. It's a one owner bike. The only difference is it's got a rear hugger on this one, but everything else is absolutely standard. Super clean. A quick start up in a second. See the dash first. Fab. Let's give it a start up. Really good commute bikes, even just to have a bit of fun on, but fabulous on a track. Anyway guys, you've seen this belter. Get yourselves down to Jordanbikes. Give us a call. Cheers.